Annyeonghaseyo from Korea, and here are 5 free lunches that I get at work Monday through to Friday last week. So let's begin with Monday. We can see all the names there that we've put up. Some of those translated into Korean like 탕수육, but we'll get to that when it's time. We start with jjajangbap. So that's Korean, and that just means black bean sauce with rice. Bap is rice. So it's got potato and some meat in there, and yeah, there's bean sprout soup. That's I mean, it's healthy, right? 탕수육's great. Sweet and sour pork, and I didn't put any sweet and sour sauce on it. There's mandu with chives. We've got pickled radish, yellow radish. Now look at Tuesday, and we can see there's some delicious chicken there to get us going, right? So let's start with that. It's 2 flavors. It's original, I guess that's just normal fried, and then yangnyeom chicken just means sauce chicken, like flavored chicken, you know. Bean sprouts again. So kim, just sheets of kim. I like the taste. It's kind of salty. Kimchi and cabbage soup. It's like a doenjang cabbage soup. So it's like a bean, sort of soybean soup. It is quite delicious, better than it looks. And into Wednesday. Got a few things here, and let's start with the chicken bulgogi. Now I just called it bulgogi because it's the same stuff. It's basically chicken instead of beef. Just north of that is our japchae, which is like noodle dish, very delicious. It's sort of covered in sesame oil, a tiny bit of kimchi. I didn't get much. This one is spicy bean sprouts, a lot of bean sprouts this week. And here we have seaweed soup. It's no one's birthday, but that one actually has beef in it, so that's one of the better seaweed soups. I love making it with beef. Going into Thursday, I grabbed a lot of fish cutlet. I guess people don't like that one because there was plenty left over. And we've got another doenjang, so that's another soybean soup. You get a lot of soybean soups in Korea, especially for lunch. But like I said, it is quite hearty. 4 cutlets. Oh, greedy Nick, eh? So that's fish cutlet. There's some sort of like salad. It's just a salad. And potato, sliced up, and actually a bit of pasta, just a basic tomato sauce on it. That's not Korean. That's Italian, right? And our last day of the week, and we've got some interesting things to have a look at here. And there's real bulgogi. Oh, that's delicious. Thinner meat in this bulgogi, sliced up all thin. Oh, it's perfect. This is actually tteokbokki. Usually it's red. This one's white. So it's sort of almost this cream tteokbokki. We've got sesame leaves have been pickled, very spicy, and that is jeon, or Korean pancake there. And the soup I'm looking at, there's a lot of things, we're going fast, is a fish cake soup with a radish. And it is, it's not bad. Look, I hope you enjoyed all these delicious foods that I'm showing you from my week at work. Remember, this is a free lunch, and it is delicious. So in the meantime, until next week's video, enjoy your lunches and have a great week. Eat well. Thanks.